How to use Visa gift card on Battle.net. So to use a Visa card on Battle.net or Blizzard's gaming platform, first you have to check your Visa gift card balance. Before using the gift card, ensure it has sufficient balance. Now, register your Visa card. In order for you to do that, what you're going to do is you have to log into your Battle.net or Battle.net account. So go to Battle.net and log in with your credentials. As you can see, here is the redeem code section. So if you want to redeem a code, then all you have to do is to enter that number right here, and then after that, click redeem code. So going back, just head over to select payment method. When prompted to choose a payment method, select credit or debit card. After that, you can enter Visa card details or Visa card gift details like the card number, the 16-digit number on the front of the gift card, expiration date, the month of year shown on the card, CVV, the 3-digit security code, and then the billing address. After that, review details of your purchase and confirm. If the balance of your gift card or Visa gift card covers the full amount of the purchase, it should process successfully. So you need to have or let's just say enough balance of your gift card in order for you to proceed with the payment. So basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.